Welcome to the MacLam Car Vlogs. You over here, people freaking all around me, drinking Gavi, you know. Welcome to the MacLam Car Vlogs, where we wear bucket hats, and fucking, chill in the car. It's a classic MacLam vlog going on here. The coffee's running wild. Delightful roses. Wow, time to the Mac Daddy time. Oh, Mac Daddy to the Mac Daddy time. You know we're here, hanging out. Downtown Halifax is around. You know we're here, hanging out in Halifax country. Wow, wow, wow. This is an OG time with Mac Daddy. Mac Daddy, with the bags under the eyes. Getting old, man. Getting freaking old. It's aging on me. People walking. People hanging. We're doing big things. Big time things. Messy hair. One big dreadlock right here. Got the curls going. Mac Daddy L, bud. Wow, wow, wow.